How to remove drafts in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and find different options. Here, you'll be able to find a section called drafts. Simply tap on drafts. So these are the drafts that are available. In your case, you might have others too. Here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Tap on this three dot icon and here you can delete it or edit it. So here I'm tapping on delete and tapping on delete again, and it's done. Now all the drafts are empty. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.